It's a wireless keyboard, and a few ways of making money on these. One, well, obviously it's all based on the model number, so always check what your model number is. And these wireless keyboards, especially the name brands like HP and everything, they come with a little USB kind of dongle, let's call it. So that's the first thing that's valuable on these. You could sell those between $5 to $20 depending on how valuable the keyboard is. Obviously, the more expensive the keyboard, the more valuable the dongle. Another way to make money is the keys. On eBay, people sell either the whole bunch or one or two at a time. And not that you're gonna make a killing, but you might be able to make 50 cents to $1 per key that way. And they're pretty easy to pop out. Let's see here if I have something. Maybe a little flat screwdriver. So pretty much pop them out. Simple as that. And obviously, if you can get the little spring mechanism too, that adds to the value. Because a lot of times, if people don't lose the key, the spring mechanism might get damaged. So that's another little trick there to make some extra money on these things. There you go, got it. Pretty simple. The key, its spring mechanism, and the dongle is one way to make money. And now the last way to make money, which is like all our scrappers say, is scrapping the rest. So let's open this up and see what's inside. I've never opened one of these before, so I'm not sure what to expect. I'm guessing there's going to be some kind of silver mylar thing like all other keyboards. A few more screws and we'll be inside. Not important trying to make a clean job. I